Hi there. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to enable your pop-ups so that you can work with your classes for infotech concepts or the Excel software classes. We're going to allow pop-ups to happen so that we can connect with the MindTap website or the My IT Lab website. So you can see I'm already logged into Blackboard. I'm going to click on Infotech Concepts just as an example. Click on whatever class you're working with. On the left-hand side, click Assignments, and then you'll see here in this example, I have a link to advance straight to MindTap. I'm going to click that link. And then did you see that? There's a little yellow warning that pops up very quickly to tell me that it's not allowed. And then I get this red warning that says the content has been blocked. I'm in Firefox, so I'm going to click the little hamburger in the upper right-hand side. If you're in Google Chrome, you also have a hamburger. In Chrome, you'll click on Settings. Here in Firefox, I'm going to click on Options. And then in Firefox, I'll click on Privacy and Security. Again, if you're in Google Chrome, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Advanced. And then either way, look for the settings for pop-up blockers or something like that. So I'm going to scroll down until I can find that setting. There it is. Block pop-up windows. By default, these will be blocked. And what's happening is that Blackboard's trying to launch a new window, like in my case for MindTap. And that new window, what we might call a pop-up window, is being blocked. And we do want them blocked. You know, we don't want ads popping up all the time. What we need to do is allow exceptions for our homework sites. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in https:// and then the Blackboard at .madisoncollege.edu to allow the exception for our Blackboard site. I'll click Allow, and then I'll click Save Changes. Now I can leave this tab open. I'm going to go back to Blackboard, and I'm going to click that MindTap, any of the MindTap links. And the same will be true. Now, if you're using My IT Lab, go back to your Blackboard site, click the My IT Lab link, and that new window will now open up. When you're in MindTap or when you're in My IT Lab, some of the links will also try to launch another new window, and those might also be blocked. So just go through that same procedure again to allow them from whatever website you're in. Cengage for MindTap or the Pearson for My IT Lab. You just go through that same procedure anytime you need to allow a pop-up window to show. And I just want to tell you one more thing. If you click the link and you don't get any warning, but you still don't see the new window, sometimes what will happen is it'll be hidden behind Blackboard. So in that case, just look at your taskbar to see if there's any other windows open, switch to it to make it the active one that's on top. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me.